Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Stacy and this channel. Welcome back to my old and my new subscribers. And guys, if you're here for the first time, a warm welcome to you. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for making it on Stacy and this channel. There are so much platforms on here and you choose to be here. I really appreciate you for stopping by. Welcome to my silent watchers also. I'm not gonna leave you guys out. Welcome to you also, and thanks for being back on the channel. Yes guys, remember to give me a thumbs up, guys. Remember to share out this video. Remember to leave some comments down below. And guys, if you're new here, as I said before, please to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. You're gonna see 3 options there. Put it on all so you won't miss that video from me. Yes guys, as you all can see, guys, you see a bunch of seasons lined out right here, guys. All different kind of seasoning. I want to let you guys know that I am about to cook up a storm right now. And remember guys, this segment is named Stacy's Cooking Show. So guys, I'm about to cook up a storm in the kitchen right now. So guys, here's my meat over here. It's already washed with vinegar and lime. Who can tell me what kind of meat is this? Go ahead and comment fast before I let you guys know. Comment right now before I let you guys know. I'm giving you like some seconds to comment right now. What kind of meat is this, guys? Take a look at it. Right? You all comment yet? You all comment yet? Okay. So if you don't feel like comment, you don't feel like make a guess, I'm gonna tell you right now. This is some beef, guys. This is a beef meat. Yes, it is beef. I haven't had beef in a long time. I mean, like when I said a long time, I mean like years. I haven't have beef. I haven't have beef, right? So I'm gonna cook some beef today. Tell you the truth, guys, I don't even remember how beef eat, guys. When I said years, I mean like more than 6 years I didn't eat beef, guys, because you know I cut off most of the meat. Yes, so I'm gonna try out some beef today, guys. Yes guys, so these are my seasons, guys, that I introduce you to all my seasons right now. First, let me introduce you guys to my green seasoning. If you guys have watched my videos on the green seasoning, you'd have known, right? I have ginger in here, I have garlic, I have pimento, and I have a bunch of seasons. Right now, guys, I don't remember some of the seasons I put in here, but most likely I have a bunch of seasons here. So the fact that I have pimento and ginger, I'm not gonna add any in the meat because it's already in my green season right here. So this is my black pepper right here. I'm gonna put some chili lemon. I'm gonna use my all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna use onion powder. I'm gonna use cayenne pepper. I'm gonna use a little bit of salt. I'm gonna use paprika. I'm gonna use a little bit of soy sauce and crushed pepper. I'm gonna use my Cajun, if it's how it's pronounced, Cajun, yeah. I am gonna use garlic powder. I'm gonna use some fish and meat sauce. I'm gonna use this season here, Old Bay seasoning, for seafood, poultry, salad, and meat. I'm also gonna use my browning. Yep. Yes guys, so these are all the seasons I'm gonna add on this meat right now. So I'm gonna season up and I'm gonna come back to you guys. I'm definitely gonna show you guys the outcome of my stew beef today. It is gonna be stew beef, no roast beef, but stew beef. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and season up and show you guys the outcome. Stay tuned. So guys, all of the seasons I just showed to you guys are already in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rub in all of the seasons on this meat right here now. And after, I'm gonna let it marinate for about half hour, and then I'm gonna cook it in my pressure cooker because I want it to be soft and nice. I'm gonna cook it in my pressure cooker, guys. Yes guys, so just stay tuned, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and rubbing this meat here. And though I already have onion, scallion, garlic, thyme in my green seasoning, I'm gonna put freshly onion, scallion, thyme, garlic in my meat, and tomato also. I am gonna add those in it. Yes guys, so just stay tuned, guys, for the outcome of this stew. Yeah, smelling so nice already, and it haven't cooked as yet. Just the seasons on it, guys. Smelling real nice. So guys, just stay tuned for the outcome because I know this is gonna be delicious. Yes, so stay tuned, guys. I'm just gonna leave this to marinate right now, guys. I already add the seasonings, so I'm just gonna leave this to marinate. Meanwhile, I clean up my sink. Yeah, guys, so just stay tuned, guys. This little pot right here is to make some macaroni and cheese. Yes, I'm gonna do some macaroni and cheese. And I'm gonna do some vegetables along with some rice and peas to go with my stew beef. So just stay tuned, guys. Yes guys, so this stew going on good, guys, and I just add some of this in cornstarch. It's allow the gravy to be thickened. Yes, I love to work with cornstarch whenever I'm making stew. And my Irish potatoes, so I'm gonna add some Irish in very soon. Yes, but I'm gonna let it pressure first. I'm just, making it brown up a bit. Yes, so all these vegetables, it spring a little water, and when you season up meat, you spring waters as well. You could be draining it and then you see more water and more water, so that's why it's looking like this. I'm just waiting on it to go down. I'm gonna give it like 15 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna cover it to pressure. Yes, just stay tuned, guys, for the outcome. Guys, as you can see, the meal is ready. This is the dish right here. This is the final finishing of everything. I have my boiled corn, I have the stew beef right there, I have rice and peas in the middle, I have tomato, I have cucumbers, I have lettuce and cabbage over here, and broccoli, and I have some macaroni and cheese in the middle. Yes guys, if you like this video, guys, remember to give it a thumbs up, share me out if you can, and leave some comments down below. Bye for now, see you in my next video.